Well, hello there. Well, hello there. So very glad you've chosen to tune into this mini presentation. My name is Mrs. Tiffany. I am your host, Head Imaginarian of Imagiread, and this is the Partner and Community Connections presentation, the first one that we'll do in 2022. And so, again, thank you for joining. Really appreciate you and all that you do to serve the community that is important to you. Right now, we've continued to navigate the times and it's been up and down, up and down, up and down. But it's very, very important to me, as it's always been, to recognize those who do the work, because I say it's not enough to do the work. The goal is to do the work well. And so thank you again for your contribution. Understanding that this is going to be short and sweet, less than 5 minutes, and you can request additional information via email at inquiries@imagiread.com. And of course, I would encourage you to do so as soon as time permits if this resonates with you. So let's dig in. Who are we? That conversation has come up a lot in the pitching for venture capital and all these conversations that I've had that are siloed and otherwise. Who are we? Like, what makes Imagiread so different? Well, we've been doing this for over a decade. It's not new. We have a very community-centric philosophy that upholds and acknowledges that every single learner is different and that we don't value performance over connection. Like, this is not about memorization. It's not about sight words and alphabets. That's not the right way to develop literacy skills. And because we've been so invested, there's a very careful way that we choose to go about strengthening connections and bonds and so forth. So that's the biggest thing. We're very value centric in that this isn't just something we're doing. This is really my life work. I'm extremely passionate about literacy, as it is the gateway to consciousness, and that shines through no matter what. It's why the programs have been recognized at a county level, at a city level, throughout community organizations, because I'm very serious about impact and this work. That being, just want to piggyback on that, just to give you an idea of our values. Here again, very people centric. You know, we acknowledge uniquity, learning style, and neurodiversity of every single learner, and not just the learner, but the parents and the community. Because it's not enough for me, and I found this out very early in the game. It's not enough for me to spend the time with a child and encourage them and inspire them to be really, really good Imagireaders if they continuously move into these spaces and navigate these spaces where they're not being supported. So again, our goals have and objectives have always aligned with supporting the whole child, whole family, whole community, whole school framework, right? And that is what we do. Now, we've been doing that, like I said, for over a decade. And during the process, we've had an incredible fortune to snag the eyes and ears of some wonderful organizations, and are very, very, very pleased to say that these organizations have been incredible in supporting our initiatives. But we're growing, right? And we're looking to connect with community organizations, individuals like yourself, who are equally passionate about education, so that we can do things on a local and international level beyond, because we're changing, we're growing. And so this is the official call. If you'd like to be a partner, we invite you to connect with us. And that means, call me. I normally don't put my phone number on social media, but it is the business line. We are getting a separate business line here soon. Email me. That email will actually go to my assistant, but it'll come to me eventually. And then social media, engage with us. Take it for a test drive. Maybe some things that you like, you don't like. And in terms of partnership, maybe there are goals that I could or we could help fulfill for you. Maybe there's some programming ideas you have, some co-hosting opportunities. The opportunities are endless, and we'd like to explore those with you. So please connect with us, and by all means, tell us what we can do to create community with you. And yet again, I want to thank you for joining. I promised under 5 minutes. I know I was talking fast, but it's because I do value your time, and I look forward to talking with you and engaging with you in the near future. Again, thank you for all you do. Really appreciate that.